Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Open Facebook and navigate to the Groups section by clicking on the menu icon in the top right corner, then select Groups from the drop-down menu. This is where you'll find all your group options and the Create button you'll need. Step 2. Click the Create Group button, which is usually at the top of the Groups page. You'll see a plus icon or a Create option that will open a new group setup window. Step 3. Enter your group name in the text field provided. Choose something descriptive that reflects what your group is about so people understand its purpose at a glance. Step 4. Select your privacy settings by choosing between public, closed, or private. Public groups are visible to everyone, closed groups require approval to join, and private groups are invitation only with hidden content. Step 5. Add a group icon and cover photo to make your group look polished and professional. Upload images that represent your group's theme, then invite your friends by clicking the Add Members button and searching for their names in your friends list. Select multiple friends at once and send them invitations to join your new group today.